baby, you pull over.
If it a man, they make me they follow your lane. I like how you there. I want make you follow me play. If it a man, they make me they follow your lane. I like how you there. I want make you follow me play. No bumper, no real light, flashing. I don't feel you body. You they making me want to go naughty. I'll take you round the world, my baby. Oh, baby, baby, you pull over.
Baby, you pull over.
Reverse, baby, you pull over.
Baby, you pull over.
Show me your particular, baby, pull over.
Baby, you pull over.
In a life, baby, you pull over.
Baby, you pull over.
Back, baby, you pull over. Show me what you got.
Baby, you pull over.
Pull over.
Baby, you pull over.
Show me your particular, baby, pull over.
Baby, you pull over.
In a life, baby, you pull over.
Baby, you pull over.
Me, you don't like to dance. Me, I like to dance. Me, you don't like to wine. Me, I like to wine. Oh, you wine and I wine to the center. You know, say we there for your man. Tasty. No whiskey, you never follow us. Your bumper, your real light, flashing. I don't feel your body. You dey making me want to go naughty. I'll take you round the world, my baby. Oh.
She go dance, and if I move, she go move. Baby, mama, if I dance, I like you like that. But she go dance, I like you like that. And if I move, she go move.
closer. My baby is taking over. She did do the jungle over. So make we dey spend the paper. God don't do one for me, yeah. My baby is taking over. She did do the jungle over. So make we dey spend the paper. God don't do one for me, yeah. So baby, make it something. Something you feel about it. Baby, just something. Something you feel about it.
you've been dancing, and your body.
You've been a wonderful audience so far. I guarantee you that joy will be visible and joy will be visible in the house. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, back there it is an ongoing thing. Go and play your raffle for the cheapest phone card in Nigeria. Vamos, ladies and gentlemen, you play your raffle, it's ongoing. Whatever you win, you can take your card. Ladies and gentlemen, this is one of the sidelines of this occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, right now I have the honor to usher into the high table without much ado about nothing, Honorable Engineer George and Nwozo Jidofo Enugu State. Here we state Icharacha. Round of applause, please. Kushera do Yaki. Aha! Take it easy. Presidential candidate for Enugu, USA. All the way from New Jersey, the Garden State. Jidofo for Enugu State is also a presidential aspirant for Enugu State, USA. All the way from New Jersey. A round of applause for him, please. Ladies and gentlemen, quickly I'd like to also welcome Chief CY and Law Lawyer Ada Alinta Ogalasia. The husband is not here, but I believe Ogalasia is here. Ladies and gentlemen, is she here? Kedebo no. Onokwa here. Because you cannot come in from the back. Oh. Beautiful ladies, usher her in. Persevere with me. Dinner is around the corner, but in this occasion, there are cultural protocols that must be obeyed. Permit me to hand the microphone over to the chairman of this occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to hand the microphone to the chairman of the occasion, Honorable Sir Tony Bodu. Round of applause, please. Round of applause. The magnitude of the money we're going to receive from him is dependent on the applause. Round of applause for Mr. Chairman, ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Can you hear me? You can get more audience. Hello?
Ladies and gentlemen, this is one of the most important parts of this occasion. We need absolute dignity and decorum and silence. Every unnecessary movement should subsist henceforth.
Thank you so much. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I have to be very, very brief. The reason why we're here today is for domestic violence. Pretty much I don't know much to say about this, but domestic violence is a very big issue that is disturbing our people back home, also in this America, and it's high time that we have to talk about it. Because let this thing begin go. Oh, I'm not too much talk because he had money about movement. So, Enugu State, Washington DC, because President Paul Nwozo and the wife. Thank you so much.
Was very clear and most succinct. Now I'm going to hand over the microphone to the president of Enugu, USA, Mr. Paul Nwozo, who has also assured me of the brevity of his speech. Thank you. Oh, yeah, the Russian, the hand clap.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of our Enugu State Association, I say welcome to everybody. I'm not going to take all your time, but I just want to acknowledge the presence of the keynote speaker, Dr. Nwozo, and also the co-speaker, Dr. Attorney Chief Ifesinachi. And to everybody, welcome. Thank you.
So much. I am honored to be here today. I'm going to start off with a song entitled "The Cabo," which says, "Eledumare, oh, oh, I cannot do this on my own. No, no, no. Your spirit lives inside of me. Yes, oh, and it's soothing, soothing to my soul. That's why I talk about Ife. Alagbara, Oluwa, Nagode Baba. That's why I sing about Ife. Alagbara, Oluwa, Nagode Baba. That's why I sing about Ife. I sing about Ayo. I sing about Chineke. I sing about Oluwa. That's why I sing about love, love, laughter. I sing about life. I sing about my love. That's why I sing about love. I sing about laughter. I sing about life. I sing about my love, my love, my love, my love. Hey! Thank you so much. How many African queens do we have in the building tonight? Can I get the ladies to wave their hands for me? I'm seeing a lot of beautiful ladies.
Just like the sun lights up the
African queens.
lights up my life.
Yes. I want the ladies to say
The only one I ever see.
Can I get the ladies to say yes.
Just yesterday.
I want to dedicate this to all the special, beautiful ladies here tonight. Thank you so much, Mr. DJ. I believe that you all are African queens, and I'm honored to be here to certainly bring light to domestic abuse, yes. And I'm here to really celebrate with all my African sisters and African brothers, Nigerian. I am Nigerian. I'm grateful for the gift of song. The next song I'm going to share with you is entitled My Love. Can I get you guys to say my love? Yeah, deep, is a deep sounding my love. One more time, my love. Yes, it sounds like the men are really taking over on this one. So anyways, this song I wrote really when I had just come back from work, because I still got to work 9 to 5, and I was in my car, and I was feeling, gosh, thank you so much for bringing me home safely, protecting me from bad drivers, and I just started thinking about various things that I felt that I've been blessed with, and pretty much the words just kind of started flowing, and I said, gosh, nobody bless me the way you do. I said, when you're excited about something, you don't just sit down. In my car, I'm sure people thought I was mad. I rolled down the window and I said, nobody fills me up the way you do, you do. I said, yes. Nobody loves me the way you do, my love, fine boy. I know, fine boy, I know people, so this song should be dedicated to you, but
Drop that song, baby.
it's for someone that created you.
I know it's not for me.
Yes, it should be. But definitely, when I finished writing the song, I said, gosh, I gotta get people rocking to this one. So I came up with this slang that says, Kema Rocky. And Kema Rocky, I just made it up, and it just means get your groove on, do running man, 1-2 step, whatever you want to do to get excited about this love that I'm talking about. So I hope you enjoy it. It's not a new song, so some of you may know it. If you do, certainly join along. It simply says, my love. That's pretty much the chorus. All right, let's get this party started. Can I get y'all to say, can I rock you? Can I rock you? Can I rock you? Can I rock you? Let me hear it. Can I rock you? Can I rock you? Hey!
Love me wonderfully, created me to look just like you.
Hey! Hey!
You bless me, shower me with more than I can ever do. I cannot live this life doing the things that I do without you. You are amazing, truly divine. Where can I find something as pure as you? My love, my love, my love, my love, my love, my love, my love. Nobody bless me the way you do. You do. Nobody feel me the way you do. You do. Yeah. Nobody love me the way you do. You do. You do. My love, my love, my love, my love, my love, my love, my love. Your spirit guide and hold me every day. Strong, wisdom flow, find out things, they follow you all the way. Yes, so I cannot replace you or the things you do. The sky's not wide enough to fill your space. Hey, the rays of the moon shine so brightly, stars they twinkle so brightly. All because of you, my love, my love, my love, my love, my love, my love, my love. Nobody bless me the way you do. I see you, hi Kevin. Nobody feel me the way you do. You do. Beautiful, beautiful. Nobody love me the way you do. You do. You do. My love, my love, my love. Can I get y'all to wear the hat to be like this? Come on. My love, my love, my love, my love.